Hello everybody, my name is Casey Nguyen. I am a CIS instructor at Moreno Valley College. I'd like to invite you to take CIS-30A this winter, Introduction to Python Programming. In this course, it's very fun that we learn about variables, functions, classes, objects, and so much more, even writing a program that has graphical user interface. This course is transferable at UCR, so if you're thinking of transferring there in computer science, you can receive the credit. And did you know that there are more than 2,000 jobs in Los Angeles on LinkedIn that require Python programming skills? Python can be used in so many ways, including ethical hacking, automating network devices, writing game apps. So if you are interested in signing up for this course will be online. Recorded videos and hands-on lab videos will be released via Canvas. I look forward to having you in class. Thank you very much for your time.